Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to be opening the Cupid box. Now this is a box that comes out once a year from the Fat Quarter Shop. It's an exclusive box, so let's get it opened. It says, "You're pulling my heartstrings, Cupid box 2023. And they always have a code that you can get other stuff on their website and get discounts. And this comes in the box. And right off the top, we've got some cute little 2.5 strip flat 20 pieces. Now that's half of a jelly roll, because you know those have 42. This is pretty neat looking little fabric. It's by Heather Lee Chang, Clothworks. Huh, I haven't seen that before. Look at the back of that one. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Okay, so it'll tell us what all is on here. Oops. On both sides. That one's upside down, but anyway. Okay, so, we have some thread, Aurifil thread. That's a pretty pink. That is 2410. Let's see. And of course the thing is put together right where I need to read it, so I can't read it. 100% thread. I think it says, no, I don't know what it is. I don't even, what is 1FW? I haven't seen that before. And I don't see where it tells us the, whether it's 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm going to guess it's 30 weight. I'm not sure. Okay, so we have some, it's a quilt as you go strip mug mat. So it's a, I'm trying to see what the size is. What size is it? Oh, it says a set of 3 different pattern mug mats, but I think they're like little mug rugs, little. So, open it up here. Oh, I thought it would have a fold over seam. All right, I'm not opening it yet. And then we have it says the Featherweight Shop. It's a little letter opener. Look at that. That's cute. And then we have a pincushion slap band. So you slap that on your wrist. That's magnetic to hold your pins. And then we have the heartstrings quilt pattern, which is that right there. Tells you how to put it together. Looks like red and gray. Oh, that's your binding. But it doesn't necessarily have to be pink if you don't want it to be pink. It could be some other color. Whatever your colors are that you like. That tells you how to put it together. It doesn't look hard at all. The hearts are all made out of strips, so I don't see why you couldn't use these strips that came with the kit if you didn't want to use it for the little mug rug thing. Okay, that is everything in the box. Let's see here. Let me make sure. I thought maybe it would tell me the weight on this thread. Oh, it's a 50 weight Aurifil cotton thread. So that's 50 weight. Okay, I'll lay it all out here so you can see a little bit better. All right? Alrighty, everything in the Cupid box is right here. I just laid it inside the box is all I did. And then there's the little strip mug mats is what they're calling them. They're mug rugs. So, and that's a June Taylor design. So you can go online and probably get this. It won't be where the box well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and welcome all my new subscribers, and Make a comment if you'd like. Ring that little bell, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.